I was ready to pick up a rider. There was a car on the right lane. I started going straight in my lane, and suddenly I was hit from the right side. After the accident, I just opened the Vantrue app and watched the video. It clearly captured by the cameras that I was going in a straight line. He came into my lane. My name is Terry Grant. I live in New York. I'm an Uber driver. If I didn't have that Vantrue Dashcam, the situation could have went completely south. He told the officer that I hit him. So when the officer asked about any videos, I automatically went to the Vantrue app and showed him the complete video. The only person I had was a Vantrue E3 Dashcam. It protected me. Every time I drive and pick up passengers, it really helps a lot to record every single detail. I can use it to record the front, cabin, and back view simultaneously. It presents near 360 degrees all around full protection for my driving. Anytime you have a sudden shake or involved in an accident, it automatically locks the footage. The app's wonderful. After I got the first one, I realized this is really a great thing, so I got my wife one and installed it. I always work with a Vantrue Dashcam everywhere I go because it's a jungle out there. It's one of the best things that I ever bought in my life. Everyone should get a Vantrue Dashcam.